Signing the APK file. Hello, everyone. We will learn how to sign your APK file with an encrypted file and how to create this encrypted file in this particular video. So let's go to Android Studio and see it in practice. Of course, we learned how to create an APK file. So I will click Build, Generate, Sign APK. Then I will select APK or App Bundle and click Next. Okay, so here we will create a new password file. Now in the previous video, I used the password file that I created before. So this time I do want to create a new one. And I will click Create New. So first we need to define where we will save this file. So this is an encrypted file, and you will need to save this on your computer. I mean, it's not just a keyword and a password, right? So this is a JKS extension file. So where you save this file is so very important, because if you delete this file, or it's deleted by accident or some other happenstance, you will not be able to update your application again. Even if you create a new file, it will not be useful. You will create this file just one time, and you can use this file for all of your applications. So I will advise you, you should be able to save this file in the cloud, at least in 3 places. Because if your computer has a problem, it will not update your application again, right? So keep it safe. So here I will select a folder and I will give it a name. Let's call this, the name can be password example. So you can, give it whatever name you want. So then I'm going to create a password. Now this, of course, is important as well, because if you forget the password, there is no reset password option. So this alias section is the second part, and you will create this password key and the password for this APK file. So when you create another APK file, you will create this second part again, because the second part, the password key and the password, are different for every application. So I will write to-do list for the key, and I will write a password for this key. And this password is valid for 25 years. And also, I'm going to fill in at least one space and click OK. Now, the password.jsk file is ready. Now, I've also defined a password for this file. Key alias is to-do list. And there's another password for this alias part. And the second part is different for every application. So after that, when I click Next, it will continue. Okay, so now we have come to another yet very so important part. You will create this file just one time, and you can use this file for every application. So this is an encrypted file. Now I want to show this file to you. I will open the Save folder, and here's the file. Now you can take this file from here and save it to another folder, or you can send this file to your drive, but keep it safe. And remember, so we have learned how to sign your APK file in this video. I want to see you in the next video.